Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on website development using WordPress. And in this particular video, we'll learn how to create a restaurant website using WordPress. So before that, we'll give a demo of a website that we have already delivered to a client. And it looks something like this. So it is having this menu bar with a logo in between. And this side, they have options like home, about us, and gallery, where the content is static. Then in the right side, they have something called Utrecht, Amsterdam, and contact us. Utrecht and Amsterdam is their branches in Netherlands, and for each of the branches, they wanted to have a different section of online order. So we have created the same. And in the home page, they have a small video on the top, and thereafter you can see that they have some information. Then they have different branches, so they have defined everything and given an option to view menu directly from the website homepage. And also they have given a small information regarding their how exactly their story began, and thereafter they have given reviews that they have received on Google, and also they have given an option to join Instagram and directly search on Google. Like if I can click here, I will directly go into the Google Maps to see the branches live on Google Maps. And then they have a footer where they have mentioned the address, some details of for contacting, and the timing also is something that they have mentioned here. So also they have also added here Instagram and Facebook social media links. Fine. So if I go to about us, it's a static content, nothing much in terms of a development point of view. In gallery, again, they have a plugin installed. So we have installed here plugin where all the images can be seen all together. And if you see, we go to this Utrecht branch. So here we have added a static page and given an option to view menu. It's a PDF file that we open in a new tab. And we have also given an option to order online or make a reservation. So when we click on order online, it takes us to an e-commerce page where you can see all the options like veg, non-veg, or any chef special recommended soups, something like that. And on each of click, the website refreshes and showcases you the respective menu. And you can add those menu directly and click on add to basket, and it will reflect here in the basket here, right? And you can view basket checkout, and this will be checked out, and you can buy it out. So let's check out also. And in the checkout, you can see an option where you can choose the information you can provide, the billing information. You can add a coupon code if you have, and then you can pay using Stripe. So that's the only thing they have provided here in the checkout page. And click in case you click make a reservation, you can always click here, and it will take you to this particular page reservations, where they have provided some information in the left pane. And here in this particular part, they have integrated an portal. The portal was already there where they were doing their bookings. So the same thing we have integrated here. So in place of this, you can also have a form. So we have one more website similar to this for Switzerland branch. So there, what they do is like they do not have a portal already in place. So for them, we have just added the form, and the form is something which will trigger an email, and the email will tell them, okay, this are the particular details, and you can book a particular table for that. So yes, that's the thing we are going to develop now. So before we start development, we need to have some things in place. So these are the prerequisites. So we need to buy a domain, we need to buy a hosting where all the content that you will develop will sit, and then you have to install WordPress and WooCommerce, because WooCommerce is required for the e-commerce portions. And then you have to connect the domain and hosting. And once you're done with that, you can install a theme. You can buy a theme online or a plugin to make the process flow smoother. Okay, so we'll start with buying domain. So for domain buying, you can visit godaddy.com. And suppose I am going to buy my cafe India free, something like that. So suppose this is the name of the website that you want to buy. You can click on make it yours, continue to the cart. Yeah, so you can visit the cart, you can click on no thanks because you do not want to buy anything extra. Continue to cart, and thereafter you can see you have an option to choose from the year range. You can choose how many years you want and click on the pay. So this is the India FRE is the one that we are going to buy. You will see an option to away or the credit card, and you can buy it out, then it's done. This step is done. Second thing is you need to buy a hosting. You can buy either the one that we prefer is Siteground, or you can buy the one like from Hostinger or some any other platform. In any platform, you need to buy a hosting with WooCommerce. So I will choose this one. We'll start now. I'll choose a basic one, this plan, and you will see an option to buy it out. So you will pay and you will get the hosting also. So once you have bought the hosting and domain, the next task starts. It's like installing WordPress on your particular hosting. So suppose this is already bought. I will create a new website. So first I will go to my products here in Godaddy and choose the domain that I want to connect with the hosting. So for sigmaearth.com. So I'll go here in SiteGround hosting. And if you have seen that I have created a new website here, I will be adding an existing domain. I will click continue. And here I can choose start a new website. I want both WooCommerce and WordPress. I will choose this one. I will call it admin at sigmaearth.com, admin at the rate 123, and continue. So this will install WordPress as well as WooCommerce on your particular hosting for this website domain. But you have still not connected the domain and hosting, right? For that, what we have to do is like go to your GoDaddy portal. Sigma.com is the one we want to set up. We'll click on DNS and we have to search for name server. Name server is here and change the name server. So by default, once you will buy, it will be GoDaddy name server. You will have to choose, I will use my own name server, and the name server that you can get it from SiteGround. So once this website will be created, I will show you where exactly you will get the name server. You will get those name servers, copy and paste over here, NS1, NS2, whatever it is, and save. So that's how you will be completing the fourth step, that is connecting domain and hosting. So we have bought domain from GoDaddy, we have bought hosting from SiteGround, we have installed WordPress and WooCommerce on SiteGround, and then we have connected the domain and hosting, right? So you can close it, but let this particular thing be installed over here so that I can showcase you where exactly you will get the name server names. All set, right? Go to site tools and within a dashboard, go to site tools and within a dashboard, you will see the name servers. Same thing we have copied and pasted over here, right? So that's it. We are done with the connection part. Now one more thing we do in the GoDaddy like hosting part is like we install the certificate so that we get HTTPS on the website. So by default, if I open up sigmaearth.com, you will see these errors coming from the browser. So as of now, I'll proceed to sigma.com like this. But ultimately, the right way is to install a certificate of SSL. So that we are installing by going on security and SSL manager. So once it gets installed, we'll go to HTTPS enforce, and even HTTP is there, it will enforce it to HTTPS. I will try to refresh and see if it is reflecting. So it takes some time to reflect over here. We can copy and check in incognito. Here it is reflecting. Fine. So it means we have installed it successfully. Now we can do /wp dash admin. It will open a portal where you can enter your credentials, right? And log in. So now we are going to start with the development of the website. Now the last step is install a theme or plugin. So to get a theme, we go to themeforest.net and search a restaurant in WordPress, and it will give multiple themes to you. You can choose any theme as per your budget. You can preview like this, live preview, and you can explore the theme firstly over the Envato market. So they have multiple options like this. I will choose one of them, and they are giving a lot of photos over here. If you do not like, you can see other home pages here. They have multiple home pages, so every theme come with a lot of elements and pages. Suppose this is the page that you want to develop. They have some content over here, right? Ingredients, menu bar is even on the home page, reservation option in the home page. So this is something that is looking good, right? So if you find something very good, you can buy it out, and it will give two things: a theme and a code to activate it out. So that theme, you can go to appearance here, choose themes, add a new theme, and upload the theme. And you can choose the file that you have downloaded, install it, activate it. While activation, it will ask for a code that you will get while buying it out. So it will be installed, and the entire content you can follow some documentation that is over here. So to get a documentation, uh, once you will install a theme, there you can see a link for documentation also. So you can read documentation accordingly, follow the steps. Suppose I do not have money, what I will do, I will go to site recommended or browse here, and I will paste the same, like find the same thing, restaurant. Spelling is wrong, that's why it's giving me wrong content. Okay, so here again I can find something that is for free. So okay, it's a blogging website for restaurant, so that's something I don't want. Okay, it gives some options, so I will just install this theme installation. Give you, 2-3 steps ahead. Like some pages you don't have to design, you can just use the theme that is already there. And I will activate this just to see what exactly this looks like. The theme is activated. I will just go and open in a new page. So this is something that is opening up, and you can see shop page is also here, right? Nothing is appearing as of now. So I will go back to my WP admin, and this is the place where we start the configuration of our product. So here we'll see what option we do have. We have option to see the orders, see the customers, settings. So I'll click on settings, and I can choose the country for which I am doing the offerings, right? And you can choose which country you want to sell it out, and you can enable and disable coupons. You can change the currency here, and for products also multiple things are there, like which particular page will showcase the shop page. So it should be shop, yeah. And then shipping option again to create some zones so that you can decide some shipping charges. Like if you want to deliver to particular region, you charge $40. If you are delivering beyond that, you charge $50, something like that. And the payments, you can enable everything. So cash on delivery is there, check payments is there, direct bank transfer. You can add a plugin via going to this option of plugins, and you can add more plugins like Stripe. You can add, right? I will just search for Stripe, install it out. and activate it. Once it is done, then you can go back to WooCommerce, settings, payments, and you will see Stripe. Turn it on. While turning it on, you have to create or connect an account with Stripe. So once you click that, it will open the Stripe login portal and it will ask you some connection authority and all and connect it out. So you should have a sign up already or login already over Stripe. Otherwise, you will not be able to connect it out. Fine. So this is the next step, that you add a payment gateway. Then the emails that will go when a new order will come, what email will go and to whom. So to the admin, it will go this order on hold, processing order, these things will go to customer. And you can individually manage and see what exactly content you are writing it out. Like the heading will be thank you for order by default. The content will be will we are looking forward to fulfilling your order soon. So something like that will go via the email. These are also important things, right? So we are done as of now with WooCommerce. The second thing is like we have to configure products. So I'll go to all products here. This product also come with e-commerce only. I will create a product. So what I am going to sell now, I'm going to sell a suite here. Okay, it is a suite. Here I will add a product image. So I will upload an image. I'll see if I do have any product image. So I will download an image suite. Go to image. This looks good. I will download it out. For a real use case, what will happen is like the shop owner will use their own image. You do not, you never have to copy some image like this. You should always use your own or non-copyrighted image. Otherwise, someone can report it out and the website itself will be brought down by the hosting. So anyhow, I have a product image now. The category, I can create a category called suites. I can add more images here. So I can download actually more images. I want to download single image now. Save images. The WBPs might not be allowed to use. It's Laddu. So I will add this image here, choose it and add to gallery. Product description. I will just paste anything as of now. Tags, I can have a something tag here. Good for my SEO. Pricing, it's like regular pricing is $100. I'm selling it for $20, 80% discount. You can add whatever you want. And inventory, you can have an SKU. It's like if you have unique number attached to a product, you can add here. Shipping, link product, attributes. So you can always have like attributes like variation might be there, right? You have smaller size, bigger size, large, small, medium. So those things you maintain here, and for each of them you add a pricing. Okay, so as of now we do not have a variation in this particular shop. So now I will visit a store directly from here, and you see here in shop we have this laddu available, and we can click on order now, and it has been added to my cart. The cart I can click here or here, both will take me to the cart. And now I see I can change few things here and proceed to checkout, and everything is like by default provided by WooCommerce, and I can choose a particular payment gateway and it will be, let me try also. I am sending it to myself. City is something. Can I change country? Yes, I can change country. Fine. So I have added a thing and I will place an order. So this order has been placed. Fine. And both my email ID as well as the admin email ID is same because I have logged in using the admin email ID only, right? So that's why the emails might have gone to the respective email IDs. And if I go here and check in WooCommerce orders, I will see a new order. And this order is as of now on hold. Why? Because I have not done any payment, right? So in real use case, you can add a payment gateway and the payment will be done. So then you open up this order and see, okay, I can send it out or not. Accordingly, you can change the status. Like uh, we have here on hold, you can make it on processing. It will become in process. Fine. And suppose you are done with that, you can make it completed. So every time you change a particular status here, the status email will be sent to the customer. So these are the steps you actually do to create a simple restaurant website with shopping option, checkout option, cart option, and even my account is there where you can see all the orders that I have done. You see like this, and I can see view option here and all the order details like how much payment I have done and all. There is one more plugin I do recommend, like it's called Food Store Online Delivery and Pickup. So for like you can add plugins to enhance your experience. So I will go and click on add new plugin and search for this plugin. It's free. The same plugin we have used in the website demo that we have shown in the starting, and it gives a beautiful option. You know, the cart checkout option will come up here with a button, pop-up button, and activate. So we are activating the plugin now. We'll see as of now if there is any change or not. Okay, we have not enabled anything. So check online order. Okay, forced to create a custom shop page for your food items. So what it is saying here is like you can create a new page, add a new page, and you can call it shop new and paste your, not like this. You have to click on this button, search for short code, and paste the code whatever is provided, and click publish. And with the page now. So the same particular category is appearing here. You can have a search option and you can see you have beautiful footer here, right? With all the things that you have added in the cart. If I remove it, let me just delete it or clear all. It is gone. It's cancelled. You see even a progress bar indicator was there. I can click on edit, add, and you see even you can see the product. You can increase the quantity, add a note like make it less sweet, do not add toppings, something like that, and add to cart. Now you will see the cart directly here. Do not to navigate to a new page, and once you're done you can continue. And now this continue will take you to the uh, what do we say, the cart page or the checkout page ultimately. Fine. So if you even click in the card option, you will see the same thing that you have added is appearing here also, the two pieces here. So this is a plugin that we recommend that you can use to make your website beautiful. So in this website development, we have not showcased to develop individual pages. For that, we have different videos that you can explore. Here, our focus was to just guide you how to enable a restaurant, you know, flow, or how to enable WooCommerce in a WordPress website so that you can add your products and sell it online for a restaurant business. In case you have any questions or doubt, you can always ping in the comment section. We will enhance this video as per your comment. Thank you very much.